Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important Java interview question: when to use static variables methods in Java. Static keyword denotes that a member variable or a method can be accessed without requiring an object. So you can call a static method even without creating an object. Static is often valuable when you know something that is not going to change across instance. So please remember, static variables and methods are attached to the class and not to any instance. Static member variables are shared by all instances or objects of the class to which they belong. When you make a method static, it means that the method can be called without object of the class. It also means that the method cannot access instance variables unless it is passed a reference to an object. So you cannot, from a static method, you cannot directly access the instance variable. You need a reference to the object in order to access the instance variable. So even from a main method, you cannot access directly the instance variable, because public static void main, it's a static method, so you need an object. So when to use static methods which are not using instance variables? Best option, use static. Utility classes which are not supposed to be changed, so it does always routine operation, you can use static. Example, trim my value, it is going to apply trim and it's going to give back and it's going to check some null value, that's all. So you can use for static for utility classes. Common functionality in your application which does the routine operation, the same operation like math, whatever calculation, so you can use static. It does not depend on the instance variables, and it does not change the state of an object. Constants are usually declared as static, so we no need to create an instance each time when you use the constants variable. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.